today I got a special one. I've already made the video, and this is just, I'm gonna do this instead of showing you the first part of the boring part of the video. We're doing some pork ribs, some baby back ribs. I did some chicken with Uncle Steve Shake Texas Cajun. This is freaking awesome. I am serious. I'm gonna do half a rack dry rub, half a rack with that dry rub right there, that's shake, and we're gonna throw on some Uncle Steve's no sauce, the sauce with no name. Sorry about that, it's out. We're going on the Z grills today. I washed my ribs, I dried my ribs, I put a little, sprayed a little bit of olive oil on there, and then I put this on it. And now what you're gonna see after my little intro is them on the Z grills, and we'll just go from there. You can get through this, hit that bell. I got playlists for you to see more cooking videos with Papa Texas. All right, that's what I have for you. Enjoy. Look at them beauties. That's fantastic. This one's prettier, so we're gonna make some. Hang on. All right, we're gonna take some of the Uncle Steve Shake, the sauce with no name, and it's going on this one. We'll get it on there, let it set for a little bit, flip it over, and then we're gonna try these suckers. This one's gonna stay dry. This one will be a little wet. Well, that was the end of that bottle. I got one bottle left. But I'll be down there in Houston with Uncle Steve in February, and I'll get more then. Alright, just going to set this way for just a little bit, and then I'll flip it to tighten it up a little bit. These are my little corn critters. Corn ribs. That video will be coming up. Not here, I'm not filming that now. That'll be coming up. I'm just practicing. Once the corn rib does come out, I'll put it up in the corner and you can click on it at the end of the video once I get it there. Alright, see you in a bit. Yeah, I'm really liking the way that this looks. Okay, so we got the sauce on there. Check that out. So now we're going to do a little flip. And I'll show you what it looks like here in a sec. Alright. We're going to call that done. Check that one out. Pretty, ain't she? Alright, let's go over to the board. Alright, these look pretty good to me. We're going to get a wet one. Whew! I did not want to fall off the bone. Sorry. We're right here in the middle. Whew! Alright, so the Texas Cajun and the sauce with no name, you can always find this down in my description. I'm going to leave it in the comments to his website. He's got some stuff on sale right now for Christmas. I'd get that package of 12. It's like 33% off. Look at that. Does that even show on the camera? How it's hot. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I know this is going to be good. Hot. Uncle Steve, I really love this flavor. Can't get enough of it. It's hot. Well, Steve, you better lock them up when I come down in February. My first good dry rub rib. I fell in love with them. Dry rub ribs, that is. Is at a restaurant called Rendezvous in Memphis. If you've never been there, you need to. Rendezvous. Alright, gonna do a wet one. Look at that. There goes the wet one. Beautiful. This is good if you like dry. This is good if you like wet. But this just gives it that little kick. Added to that one. Boom. Bob's your uncle. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go eat the rest of these. Wow. I'll be here every now and then. Papa, Texas, Papa's Kitchen, Uncle Steve Shake. See ya.